So hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can use Zotero to cite any article in our manuscript. So this is Zotero software and it has mainly 4 components. As we can see here, the first component is this section where you can add your manuscript. In this section you can keep your manuscript according to your category, and it is always recommend you to create a different folder for different kind of your work. And this section will display all the articles that you have added in this, and this section will show all the details of each research article. And here will be the tag if you have added any tag to the particular manuscript. So first we will see how we can add article to the Zotero. So there are mainly 3 ways you can do this. The first one is by using manually. So here you can use what kind of article do you have. Is it journal article or book chapter or entire book? So for that you have to do, for suppose we have journal articles, so all the details regarding that article will be filled here manually. So mostly nobody prefers these ones, so I will remove this one. And the next method is if we have any identifier. For suppose this is one of the article and one of the identifier, that is the DOI numbers. We will use this DOI to fetch this article to the Zotero. So we will use this magic, and here these are the following identifier that you can use to fetch those articles. So I will use this DOI and press the enter. So Zotero will fetch those articles from the web. As we can see, this Zotero has got this article here, and including all the details related to those article. Another way you can do is if you have downloaded the PDF of article, you can add that one also. For that you can go here and link to file, and I have already downloaded one, so I will go there, and this one is the article I have downloaded. I'll open this one. So it will take time and then read this PDF, and then the Zotero will fetch the entire details of this PDF, and we can see here the things has got on our list. The details are being displayed over here. Now we have added our article to the Zotero. The next section is how we cite those articles in our manuscript. So this is the written manuscript. We want to cite the articles over here. So what we will do, you will locate on your Word file Zotero here, and then click add citation. And if you open this first time, they will ask what kind of citation style you are looking for. So mostly we will use the APA. We'll click OK, and then the search section of Zotero will pop up. So here either you type the title of the article or write the name of author. I mostly prefer go to the classical view, and the particular folder where I have added those 2 articles, I can click on that one and just press OK. So this will be added over here. Same like that, if we want to add 2 references over here, so what we can do, we will go again here, Zotero classical view. I always prefer this one, and multiple source. Now here what we can do, whatever the articles we want to cite, we will just keep on this side, and if you have more you can add this and press OK. So as we can see here, the both article got cited over here. If we want to add the references, what we will do, we will go add bibliography. The reference of those 2 cited article get here. Our next section is how we can change the reference style. So for that we will go to the again Zotero section. Under the Zotero, go to the document preference. Here we can see list of citation style is there. Suppose if we will go for IEEE, it's a number type citation style. If we'll click this one, as those cited in text cited got converted into the number for 1 and 2. Okay, so here is one thing. If you have added any in-text citation at starting and then you modified it, I'll show you what I mean to say. Suppose I have added this citation and starting, obviously we need to modify this one. Okay, so this is the one which I have modified the citation style, and if we refresh it, so they will ask that you have modified it, do you want to keep it? We want to keep it, so it has got changed. Now in this case, if we change the citation style, which I will keep IEEE, so what will happen that, so all those we haven't modified got converted into the number format except this one. So what to do now in this case? So we have one thing we need to do is we have to keep both this format and number format. So this is still attached to Zotero. So what we will do, we will copy this one and we will paste here as a plain text. So it is not linked with the Zotero, and this one is linked with Zotero. And now we will convert this one into the number format. So we'll go to the Zotero section, we'll go to the add and edit citation, because it is having both edit option. So this will ask this one, we will press OK, and again we will go here and press enter. Nothing will change. Now we can see that this one has got converted to number format, keeping these things along with number format. So a remaining thing is there. So we have seen that how we can add the articles to the Zotero, how we can cite those articles, how we can modify and add the multiple citation into the single place, and we can modify those. Thank you so much.